Holmes case of the Treasury Safe puzzle box, and here's how to solve it. So if you look at it, you've got this little dial which you can spin here, so that spins round, and these pins go in and out. If we turn them like that, and they can go back in. And then on the top you have the Sherlock Holmes initials with the pipe and the magnifying glass. Then there's a quote on the bottom which says, "When you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth." And it also comes with this little coin with Sherlock on it. And you have to put that in the top and then get it out. Now, to solve it, you have to make sure the pins are out, like that and that. Then you have to push this whole piece this way, so that this bit can come out, like that. Then you have to push it that way, and then you take this side out here. You just have to pull it out like that, and then this whole piece can slide out to reveal the coin inside. Cool. Then to put it back together, all you have to do is slide this piece here back on all the way. So lift this bit up so it can go way back. Then you have to put this piece back on there so it fits. Slide that back, push that down. Do that. There you go. It's solved. And the way it works is that these two pins here, is that there's little holes here, and then when they're in, they just kind of stop it from moving because the pin's in here, and then it can't move. So it's quite a simple mechanism, but it's very effective, very cool. Yeah.